Arduino versus NodeMCU. Level up your projects. Hey makers, you've built cool stuff with Arduino. From blinking LEDs to complex robotics, Arduino has been your trusty companion. Now let's supercharge your projects with NodeMCU. This little board packs a punch with its built-in Wi-Fi capabilities. Imagine controlling your projects with your phone, or having them talk to the internet. The possibilities are endless. That's the magic of NodeMCU. It brings the power of IoT right to your fingertips. It's like Arduino, but with built-in Wi-Fi. No more struggling with external modules. This guide will make your transition smooth and easy. Step-by-step instructions will help you get started in no time. Arduino is awesome for learning electronics. It's a great way to get your feet wet and understand the basics. But when you're ready to connect your projects to the internet, NodeMCU is your go-to. It opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine building a weather station that sends data to your phone, giving you real-time updates on the weather conditions, or a robot you can control from anywhere in the world. The future is in your hands. NodeMCU opens up a world of possibilities, from home automation to remote monitoring. The sky's the limit. This guide will show you how easy it is to make the switch. You'll be up and running in no time. So grab your tools and get ready to explore the exciting world of IoT. Your next big project is just around the corner. Speaking the same language, coding similarities. Don't worry, switching to NodeMCU doesn't mean learning a whole new language. You can still use the familiar Arduino IDE to program it. The coding language is almost identical. You'll see familiar faces like pin mode, digital write, and delay. Your Arduino knowledge translates directly to NodeMCU. If you can blink an LED on an Arduino, you can do it on a NodeMCU. Of course, there are some new things to learn, especially when using Wi-Fi, but we'll cover those step by step. Wi-Fi and beyond, what makes NodeMCU different? Now let's talk about what makes NodeMCU special. This little board packs a punch with its unique features and capabilities. The biggest difference is built-in Wi-Fi. This means you can connect your projects to the internet without needing any additional hardware. No more needing separate shields or modules. Everything you need for Wi-Fi connectivity is already on the board. This opens a world of possibilities for internet-connected projects. From smart home devices to complex IoT systems, NodeMCU makes it all possible. There are a few other differences to keep in mind. NodeMCU offers a range of features that set it apart from traditional microcontrollers. NodeMCU runs on 3.3 volts, not 5 volts like most Arduinos. This is crucial to remember when connecting components. Make sure you use the correct voltage for components. Using the wrong voltage can damage your board or the components. Pin labels are also different. The pin configuration on NodeMCU is unique and may take some getting used to. Don't worry, there are handy diagrams online to help you find the right pins. These resources make it easier to work with NodeMCU. NodeMCU also has more memory and processing power than a basic Arduino Uno. This allows for more complex and demanding projects. That means you can build more complex projects. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, NodeMCU offers the flexibility and power you need. Section 4, from blinking LED to web-connected light show. Let's put theory into practice. Remember the classic Arduino LED blink? Well, we'll transform that into a web-controlled light show with NodeMCU. First, we'll connect an LED to the NodeMCU. Then, we'll use a platform like Blink to create a simple app. With just a few lines of code, we can control the LED from our phone. This simple example demonstrates the power of NodeMCU and IoT. Imagine controlling appliances in your home, monitoring sensors remotely, or even building your own smart devices. Section 5. Unlock the power of IoT. Your next steps. You've taken the first step into the exciting world of IoT with NodeMCU. This tiny but powerful microcontroller opens up a world of possibilities for your projects. Now it's time to explore and build amazing things. Dive into hands-on projects and let your creativity flow. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn. Check out libraries like ESP8266 Wi-Fi and Firebase for easy Wi-Fi control and cloud connectivity. These tools make it simple to connect your devices to the internet and interact with cloud services. Platforms like ThingSpeak and IFTTT let you connect your projects to a universe of other devices and services. Automate tasks and create smart interactions effortlessly. Imagine controlling your home's lighting with your voice, making your living space smarter and more convenient. Or building a weather station that sends you alerts on your phone. Stay informed about the weather conditions in real time. With NodeMCU, the possibilities are endless. From home automation to environmental monitoring, your imagination is the only limit. Start exploring, experimenting, and share your awesome creations with the world. Join online communities and collaborate with fellow enthusiasts. And hey, drop a comment below and tell me about your projects. Your feedback and ideas can inspire others and help grow the IoT community.